Would you prefer to sell a fraction of your 12% Bitcoin portfolio now and diversify into other assets than holding it for long term? Let me know your take in the comment section. Meanwhile, investor Chris Camelo just told Graham Stephen his 12% Bitcoin position is too much and he should slash it to 5%.
Probably like mid to upper single digits now, right?
12. Damn, that's a lot, dude. How can you sit here and tell me that you're conservative with this and diversified and have 12%?
It's a barbell because I have way more than that in tax-free money.
Yeah. 5.5.
How much would you trim it down to if it's a 12 right now? 5%?
I like what he says where it's like every single day.
Do you agree with him? Or he's being too conservative on Bitcoin? In my opinion, I'll say this advice is garbage. It's a kind of safe mediocrity thinking that keeps people from generational wealth. In this video, I'll do a breakdown analysis opposing the advice and why holding a high percent of Bitcoin could be better. However, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto. Before I continue, this is Change Space Labs. We are dedicated to building a community of successful crypto investors through content that educates and reveal opportunities. If you want to be part of us and know how to invest in cryptocurrencies, tap on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more content. Let's hit it straight. Bitcoin isn't just an asset, it is the hardest money ever created. It is digital gold on steroids, and of course, it is the asymmetric bet of a lifetime. If you are trimming Bitcoin right now, you are selling the future to own more of the past. Like most normies, you will watch from the sideline while Bitcoin maximalists eat. Here are some comments of investors sharing their opinion on the advice of Chris to Graham. Alright, so we got some comments here, and the first here is not look up. I think Graham shows immense maturity and seems to be better positioned in long run. Actually like his asset mix. And here from another person, 360H bar, why is he arguing a bull case for Bitcoin freaking out over a rich kid with 10% of its pot allocation? What a weird argument, you know. Don't listen to him, he's a dodgebag. You'll be fine with 12. I'm nearly 100% because I'm a degenerate. But guess what? I'm looking at retiring before I'm 40. Conservative investment would never get me there, says Bitcoin Ben. Here's another comment, this time from Bitcoin Beast. What an idiot. Unless you got at least 100%, you don't know shit about fiat or Bitcoin or the current debt situation in the world. This is really hard. Let me know yours in the comment section. Now, let's look at this chart. We see that Bitcoin crushes everything. Here's the facts and not feelings. Over the last 10 years, Bitcoin has obliterated traditional assets. Even with volatility, cumulative returns are in tens of thousands of percent. From here, we can see that Bitcoin beats gold approximately 84% of 2 years windows. And of course, on stock, it's approximately 75% of 1 year windows. And that is massive, you know. Even in recent time, Bitcoin outperformed gold and other global assets during geopolitical tension, just like the Iran-US war. In fact, despite gold's market cap of 20 to 30x Bitcoin is cashing up fast as the superior digital store of value. 12% in Bitcoin, that is conservative. Study shows even small allocation boosts sharp ratios and returns in 60/40 portfolios. If you are thinking of diversifying, that may sound smart until you realize you are diluting your winners to whole losers. Modern portfolio theory assumes assets stay correlated in certain ways, but Bitcoin breaks the rules. Bitcoin has low long-term correlation with stock in key periods. It acts as a hedge. Adding 1 to 5% Bitcoin historically improves risk-adjusted returns, even if volatility rises. Higher conviction equal to higher optimal allocation for believers. So even if you want to diversify, what exactly do you want to diversify into? Most stocks at all-time highs, bonds yielding below inflation, real estate with high rates. That is not safe. That is guaranteed mediocrity. Bitcoin maximalists aren't crazy, they are early. And you know what? Financial advisors hate these because they can't charge 1% fees on your self-custodied Bitcoin. They need you diversified and dependent. Here's why Bitcoin keep winning. Bitcoin isn't a risky tech stock. It's scarce digital property rights, edge against fiat displacement, growing institutional adoption. This is my portfolio strategy. Keep or increase it. Don't trim to 5%. Consider 10 to 25% plus if your risk tolerance and belief align. Rebalance opportunistically, but don't sell core conviction. The biggest risk isn't Bitcoin crashing, it's opportunity cost. Missing the shift from fiat to digital scarcity. Most will stay at 1 to 2% and wonder why they didn't listen. Holding 12 to 15% is smart, trimming it now is weak. And here's my take on this. Chris' advice is for boomers and cowards. Real wealth is built on asymmetric bets on asymmetric assets, and Bitcoin is that bet. Let me break it down. By asymmetric bet, we mean that the potential upside is larger than the potential downside. Now, for example, if I risk $100 for instance, the worst case scenario is losing that $100, but the best case scenario is making 1,000 or more. So think about it. Which one do you prefer? If you agree, comment keep BTC. But if you think I'm reckless, comment diversify. Let's see who wins in 5 to 10 years. And if this video was helpful, like and smash the subscribe button for more content. And hey, this isn't financial advice, it is a wake-up call. The greatest wealth transfer is happening. Don't sleep on it. You can always check my channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye.